As the 31st FISU World University Games is underway in China's Chengdu, members of the German delegation have spoken highly of its organization, saying it has set a good example for the next Universiade, which Germany will host in 2025.
I guess you guys set the level of expectation pretty high. So a lot of people in Germany will have a hard time. They are working on that, of course, already now, trying to set up a good university games there in 2 years as well.
Here we, of course, try to learn from the organization Chengdu, because until now we found everything is so perfectly organized that it's really, really amazing and impressioning.
So it's cool to have the possibility to meet students from other countries here, but also competing together and knowing that each athlete has something in common besides of their sport.
It will be really interesting to see if it's like this event, because I mean this one set the bar very high to see if Germany can be the same.
We are proud to be the hosts in 25, and I hope that the young sportsmen will come from all over the world to be 2 weeks in Germany, and then they can discover the German tradition.